natural arch. It's pretty cool. So, hey folks, hope you're all well. I'm on a treasure hunt, thanks to Dunk Von Dunk. Say, do any even know who he was? Well, that's German Jobbie's old channel name. So he invited me to do his little treasure hunt. People would think it's easy because he's telling you where to go to retrieve the treasure. But it's Baltic and it's wet and miserable and very grey overhead and slow down. So I'm looking out for a little tea room. Have you watched Haggis Whisperer Graham? You have seen this on his video or one of his recent videos. So I was just on YouTube and Graham had said that if I wanted this I could go and get it. He said somebody else was invited to go and get it, but they've went MIA. So I said, yeah, I'll do that when I get a chance. So I done the work I had to do this morning. I've got a little bit of tidying up to do this afternoon, so I thought I'll head out on the bike for a couple of hours since it's dry. Well, it was dry in Blantyre. So I'll catch you up once I'm a bit closer to the destination. I don't know how good the GoPro is with autumn colour on trees. Autumnal colour. I remember my dad pointing out autumn colour on leaves and trees and stuff and bushes when I was a kid, and me thinking, aye right dad, whatever. But it's something you definitely learn to appreciate with time. Another prime example there. Oh, another lunatic. Seen quite a few bikes today actually, mostly on the motorway where I was heading up to Stirling. I've never actually been over this way ever. It's sort of near Calendar, which I've passed through a few times, as well as can't remember what it's called, Kilmahog. That was the place I was thinking of there. It's pretty close to there, but this is a different route, so I won't be passing through Calendar, which is just next on the right. So I forgot to do an anniversary ride for an anniversary video for my 3 years riding, so I'll need to throw something together for that at one point. I'll wait till the deep dark months of winter. I've got about 5 or 6 videos in the bank, as they say. They're all rendered, uploaded, ready to go over the next 5 or 6 weeks. So even if the weather's not that great 5 or 6 weeks from now, I'll still have some content going out. A couple of them are bits that I've just not used from rides over the last 12 months really. I was going to put together a 12 months and 12 minutes video or something like that, but I think it was January and February I was very rarely out on the bike, if at all. I'm sure there was like a couple of 5-week spells. I think there was a time I wasn't out for 5 weeks, then I was out once, then I wasn't out again for another 5 or 6 weeks. Aberfoyle. Now this is somewhere I've actually planned to come many a time on the bike, and it's never went to plan that day and I've never made it. The roads aren't too bad actually. A few leaves scattered about. I nearly said loafs there. A few loaves spread everywhere. Must have been a big lorry crash from Kingsmill. They'd fill in the holes with the rolls. No matter where you go just now, there's holes everywhere on the road. I find the city of Glasgow is just shocking. There's some 10-inch deep holes, which should be bad enough to hit in your car, but to hit them on a bike, that's going to chuck you off. I stopped here, checked the navigation, and I'm 1 minute away. I seem to have drove past it, but my camera died, so that was good timing at least. So back on it. The bike is minging. I was nearly actually treating it all today for the winter with some hydrophobic protection, which I done to the CB recently. And this wasn't that dirty, and I thought, do you know what, I'll go out and get it dirty, then I'll give it a good wash and dry. So I'll need a good thorough wash after this, although no salt in the roads as yet, but that won't be far away. So pretty important to get them protected if you're going to be riding through the winter. There we go. How did I miss that? Well, that was easy. They are open, I think. So here we are, outside the Brig o' Turk tea room, which is unfortunately closed today due to a private vegan function. But I managed to get inside thanks to Kay, the woman that owns it, and I picked up a lovely German JOBBIES Schwarzwald t-shirt. Act dunk. That is brilliant. So cheers for the challenge, the invite to accept, or to take part, sorry, in your treasure hunt, Duncan. That was awesome, mate. I was heading south today. I was going down to the border sign to stick a sticker on it. Still never managed into England yet. So I think I'll just go back the way I came. Oh, the woman Kay couldn't be any more apologetic there. She couldn't even offer me a tea or a coffee or a hot chocolate, which is what I was dying for. But not to worry. Just my timing, to time it to go there on the day that they're closed to the public, really. So I told her I'll be back. I'll grab some lunch when I'm there next time. Said she closes about the 10th of December, I think she said, and she reopens again in March. So the rain is on to stay by the looks of it. That was a good day. I like merch, I've said that to you before. And if somebody's got the originality to do like a treasure hunt like that, hat off to you, mate. Nice one. I remember Spicy 110, Spicy 110, the YouTuber, had a box getting sent about the UK, and I thought that's a good idea. People would take something out of it and put something back in it again. But this was good. So cheers again, Doug. Nice one, mate. I assumed you knew the woman, Kay, at the tea room there. But no, she just said you just gave her a random request one day and she took you up on it. So the next time I'm back this way, I'll definitely be popping in. Supposedly she does some awesome scones. Scones. And whether it's jam or cream then jam, we don't really care about that sort of shit up here. We've got bigger things to worry about, like our shit weather. Make sure the side stands down correctly. I've already dropped this recently. What a view. Don't know if the GoPro will pick that up, so I'll pull the camera out. Lovely. Try not to get run over, Johnny. Still loving my little GS. And I'll tell you a secret. Since buying this and hopping back on the CB, it makes the CB feel very crammed. And this is what I actually said to Duncan on, I don't know if it was one of his videos or one of my videos. And then he told me about his treasure hunt. So, all good. So Friday at last, I'll be catching up on Red Bomb's last week's live stream. I've just got the last 10 minutes of that to watch. Not listen to, watch. I've actually watched it this week. Although during the week I listened to 2 of Peaky's, I'm sure that was this week. But I've still got his Wednesday one to listen to, so I'll catch up on that at one point. So cheers again to German Jobbies. You're the man, mate. Nice. I'll get a picture and put up here of me wearing your t-shirt, since it's not really t-shirt weather today. Hey! Cheers for watching, folks. Cheers again to this man. And cheers to the cherry schnapps, mate. From the Black Forest itself. Tasty. So I'll be making my own cherry cola later. Hey! So thanks again, bud. Take care. And cheers to all for watching. Peace.
No, we're not open there, sorry.
You're not open?
No. They're getting ready for a gluten-free night, so it's all been sterilised and cleaned, yeah?
Right. I was under the impression something might have been left here for me.
Sorry?
I was under the impression something might have been left here for me.
Oh, right.
A t-shirt, maybe?
T-shirt for him? Wait a minute.
Come on, in you
The
go.
big helmet's not going to harm you, don't worry.
Do you mind if I just finish up with me?
Yeah, sure, carry on.
Mad king, keep it all
I
glued.
held off having lunch as well, but I'll just
Sorry,
wait till I
I
get
didn't tell Duncan we were closed today.
It was only this morning he said to me, and I was going to head south today.
Yeah.
And I thought, you know what, I'm just going to head through and get that